Corona. India is galloping towards second position. Curve is yet to flatten. There are over 13 million confirmed cases reported in the world, of which 1 million in India, and zero point 0.6 million confirmed deaths in the world, of which 25,000 in India. Virus is in mutation. Therapy is inching in. Vaccines are in trials. Distance, mask, wash, immunity, nutrition, work from anywhere is still the mantra. Economic crisis is deepening, worst ever over the last 100 years. Non-farm services are deeply affected. Short value chains become important. Life nature centric living, thinking, action is the philosophy, the way for all of us. Amul just announced that they would enter edible oil business and launch Janmai brand. Oil seeds of the milk cooperative villages would be taken for making oils and selling. Oil seed supplement milk income to members. Milk cooperatives become milk-centric multi-commodity cooperatives. Dairying and oil seeds mutually reinforce. Imports come down. If policy discourse is right, a reform is in the making. Apart from P.V. Narasimha Rao's, Verghese Kurien's centenary year starts on 26 November. While P.V. Narasimha Rao is closely linked to my alma maters, which is Sarveil Gurukulam Residential Junior College, Nagarjun Sagar, NIT Warangal, Verghese Kurien is linked to many places where I worked: IRMA, NDDB, NTGCF. The learning from these remains the foundation of our work now. They are Bharat Ratnas, Vishwa Ratnas for nurturing learning, policy reform, collectivization, and social agenda on scale. Matthew Cherian retires from Helpage India. Jagadish is retiring from Foundation for Ecological Services. Let us listen to who made and are making a difference on scale. Naranarayan Sevaks, servants of life, masters, life workers, development leaders, social entrepreneurs, mentors, angel investors. Let us relearn from them, their journeys, their methods, tools, practices, processes, their whats, hows, and whys. Lisa is putting up a mechanism for this. Heart to heart with masters. Let us get ready. We'll listen, live to some of them in the coming 2 years. Every Saturday from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Then we have them in the videos. Then we have them in the print. Then we meet them in forums. We are 7.8 billion. We are a long way away for stabilizing our numbers on this planet. More than 1% growth rate. We still spend less than $1 a day on healthcare, 60 cents on education, 25 cents on defense. 50% of us access internet and electronic. We are losing forests, lands. 10% of us are undernourished. 20% of us are overweight. 10% obese. 15,000 a day die hungry. 10% no access to safe drinking water. We use only 15% energy from renewable sources. Sun is giving us 1,000 times our energy needs. Water is there. Wind is there. Atoms are there. India produces about 5 lakh managers every year. 80% are mediocre. Not even 1% are considered as premier or standard management schools. Most management schools still not transcended to offer leadership, entrepreneurship as part of the management. Further, development of the poor, vulnerable, and marginalized is hardly their focus. The debate of 2-year, 1-year, part-time, online hybrid, which is more appropriate, is not resolved yet. The tendency is clearly towards a top-class one-year program. After a couple of years of work experience, we need generous, generic, servant development social leaders to serve our people, their value chains and businesses. They need to appreciate portfolio of integrated multiple disciplines. They need to appreciate emerging technologies. They need to cope with VUCA world. They need to respond to changes in climate, technology, social, cultural, and economic. They need to transcend algorithmic skills and increase learning focus on higher order skills like leadership toolkits, strategy, crisis, conflicts, disruption, ICT, data analytics, dynamics, ethics, inclusion, social purpose, sustainability at all. They need to have learning touch with the school's life going. They need to network. Also, the people who come into them are not the best. The challenge to attract the best remains unaddressed for many decades now. Yes, all need not be academically qualified leaders. Most need to learn and become soon. As we grow into leaders, it is possible that loneliness hits us. It is not mental always. It manifests as physical pain in the brain. This discomfort impacts work and increases costs. Burnout adds to this loneliness. Burnout is not exhaustion alone. Loneliness and exhaustion work on each other as in a vicious cycle. Of late, exhaustion is increased. To say 50% talk about this. We are tired more, but we continue to work. Loneliness is largely due to emotional exhaustion. Loneliness is a killer. Burnout and loneliness is across human resource, whether overworked or not. Greater human connection is the key that leads to greater psychological well-being, in turn to well-doing. For this to happen, we need caring, supportive, and forgiving relationships, compassion for workplace resilience, small groups and networks for advice and support, with mentoring and teamwork, group tasks, celebrating individual and collective successes. Our immunity increases, we live longer, we are less anxious and more happy. All of us are leaders and we need meta skills, which is the ability to know what knowledge, skills, tools, resources that are required which we do not have or there is a demand for. Find the sources to acquire them and then deploy them as needed. How do we learn meta skills, meta fishing skills? Can we devote 10,000 hours to practice meta skilling? Practice giving, practice helping, practice serving. Experience, feel multiple situations, possibilities, see right, read right, listen right, be current, network right, have networks that feed, pursue relentlessly, do not give up easily. Meta skilling ability increases automatically. Government of India has announced in May 2020 the Bharatiya Prakritik Krishi Paddhati and issued guidelines. Bharatiya Prakritik Krishi Paddhati is like a precursor to the coming national mission on natural farming. BPKP is towards zero external input farming, relying on the principles of zero budget natural farming. Preferred focus is on dry lands, rain-fed areas and tribal areas, small and marginal farm holders and tenant farmers. Farmers are tracked and certified under PGS for buyers who need certification. BPKP's budget is modest, which is 12,200 rupees per hectare. About 65% of this is for field cadres and capacity building. Value chain related plans can be funded additionally. Thus, BPKP explorations and early efforts by the state governments to come into agroecology thinking and Small pilots as proofs of concept by civil society and attempts to advocate for proof of applying the concept on scale have given us a good starting point for coming together. We wished for National Coalition for Natural Farming on 28 June 2020 for learning, accelerating the practice, and evolving policies around agroecology based multiple farming practices. Thanks a lot to everyone for the time, energy, support, and inspiration, now and in the future. In less than 2 weeks, on 9 July 2020, it came into being with an articulated purpose of building system-wide capacities for mainstreaming natural farming across India and outside. Specifically, it wants to contribute to ecosystem for natural farming in 5 years, 2 million champion farmers in 5 years, and enabling 50 million small and marginal farmers and farm workers into natural farming in 10 years. Ambitious but needed. No alternative exists for now. Forum for a distributed, plural, and regenerative ecosystem, public opinion and action, champion farmers as resource persons, institutions and partners in mobilizing and leveraging, transformations transcending tipping point, landless, marginal, and small farm families and farm worker families, women and when returned migrants, nutrition security for the vulnerable, it encapsulates. The approach is to exceed critical minimum and tipping point levels as quickly as possible, given the intensity of crisis and the availability of small window not more than 10 to 12 years. The discussion and decision of formal structures for the same will be taken in due course if required. Non-negotiables and common accepted principles. The mandatory minimum unto one's ability, which is maximum meaningful program-based vision derived from ground that drives the coalition, nationally and locally. In the realm of natural farming continuum, natural farming principles, farms to landscape to ecosystem and beyond, with relevance to human life, soil, planet health, moisture, microbes, matter. Planet boundaries, futures, trusteeship, nutrition, livelihoods, and local governance, with participation, collectivization, and communitization, and saturation. Short local value chains, tracked value chains, end to end, verified source areas, 1,000 flowers with proof of concept application on scale, customized local adaptations, higher percentage of consumer rupee, premiums, natural farming brand or brands, partnership with brands like Amul are thought after. Special focus remains on indigenous, tribal and subaltern communities, rain-fed forests, land and water, women, small and marginal farm workers, IT professionals entering farming, returned migrants, farming entrepreneurs. Special attention is also on discovering and evolving science behind natural farming, with farmers as the scientists, with new learner risk-taking scientists with higher inductive logic, with land to lab, to land farms as live labs. Special drive is towards natural farming ecosystem, policies, incentives, triggers, direct benefit transfers, no subsidies for chemicals and other anti-natural farming activities, no fertilizer subsidy, no electricity subsidy. The realization includes de-addiction, mindset changes, behavioral, catching the young, in homes, in schools, work on school curriculum, work on natural farming academics, in farm colleges, universities, natural farming universities, natural farming leadership centers, learning centers, resource centers, cultural centers, library, literature in popular forms with least jargon, books, songs, stories, case studies, videos, films, modules, manuals, case studies, caselets, long notes, short notes, conversations, methods, toolkits, write shops, apprentices, peer learning, cross learning, redundancies, diverse knowledge and learning systems and spaces. Engaging matters. Farmers, community leaders, civil society, researchers, ICT, governments, engaging locally, appropriately local for local, point for point, strategic, tactical, meeting their needs, using their creativity, energies, taking their gives and giving their takes, telling what is possible, reaching out to more and more in less and less time, resource persons, peers, online, offline, even in corona times, mentoring, troubleshooting, call centers, everyday planning, facilitating and tracking, preparing for the next year, next season, and now. Inspiring, mobilizing, and joining in the plans from the ground in their own ways. Its 7 strands of work, which is engagement and operations, are: number 1, stakeholder platforms, forums, movements, social, women SHGs, women and men farmers, consumers, community institutions, PRIs, NGOs, community plus support combinations, researchers, supporters, governments for mobilization, learning, extension, aggregation, meeting the needs, solidarity, and policy discourse. Number 2, experience based on ground through practices, farms, farm situations, integrated farming landscapes, geographies, institutions, men and women, cadres, practitioners, value chains, end-to-end verified source areas. Number 3, capacity at scale includes architecture, mechanisms, practitioner, peer champions, online, offline, in situ. Number 4, learning and communication in ICT platforms, tracking, databases, data analytics, learners, policy groups, donors, producer consumers, buyer sellers groups. Number 5, research, innovation and documentation through synthesis, impact assessment and dissemination, shrinking the black boxes of biological, life and other processes. Number 6, education, natural farming professionals, facilitators, entrepreneurs, managers, children, all stakeholders, providing formal and non-formal education, lateral and self-learning, learning material at various levels of various levels. Number 7, resource pool of practitioners, which is facilitators, support various activities at various levels and anchoring them. The key team to anchor the NCNF is core support team, mostly senior volunteers committed to scale natural farming and committed considerable time, say 10 to 20% of work time, at least 10 hours a week or 50 hours a month or 500 hours a year. The areas of support include mobilizing collective commitment of coalition for scaling, enrolling key stakeholders, policy discourse at various levels, bringing variety of knowledge, human, financial and other resources, planning and guidance at various levels and on various activities, governance at field and higher levels, seeking advice from advisors and advisor groups, facilitating various teams around work or operational strands, and taking work from volunteers, resource persons, paid part-timers and full-timers, community and support groups or organizations, and secretariat. The core support team supports in taking forward and realizing the vision and direction of the steering committee. A small secretariat is under development. Amit Chandra Foundation is chipping in initially. A small, which is 5 to 7 member steering committee has taken charge of setting and steering vision, strategy, architecture, membership, partnerships, direction, governance, and oversight. Its portfolio includes vision, strategic direction and guidance, planning results, enrolling variety of member stakeholders and partners, engaging with governments, donors, civil society, and federal community institutions, raising resources, and taking the work from the team's resource persons, volunteers directly or through core team leadership or secretariat. Steering committee works closely with committed to natural farming friends from philanthropy, donors, CSRs, governments, international organizations or groups, regional or national networks, and strategic generic leadership advisors and advisors around the key strands of coalition's work. Core team leadership work strand teams and secretariat service them. Steering committee may have inclusive, diversity, variety, more youth, include community institutions, CSOs, techies et al., but with passion. Size cannot be big. May have a convener or chair for holding it together, a rotating chair. Convener are possibilities. As we go along, members' forums may emerge, practitioners and other stakeholders to be part of the members' forums, geographic and thematic chapters, sub-chapters, and communities of practice to emerge all across. Focus groups emerge working on different critical issues of interest. The initial steering committee for a year came into being unanimously and includes the honorable members, namely Vijay Kumar, Vijayanand, Mihisha, Abhijit Sen, Kavita, and Jagadish. The agenda before them is to create a long-term agenda, includes vision, approach, results, concepts, framework, comprehensive, non-negotiables, meaningful maximum, common minimum mandate, coalition architecture bottom to up, inclusive of members, which is farmers, cadres, support individuals, and member organizations, namely community organizations, support organizations, networks, etc. Operational work strands teams in field, geographic, and thematic teams, governance systems, formalization, augmenting knowledge, experience, field models, research base, and augmenting pool or pools of resource persons, volunteers, human resource funds. For short term, as it comes into being, come to full life, physically, electronically, core group or team, website et al. Creation, teams around operational or work strands, and secretariat, engaging with ready governments and initiating work with them, enrolling ready community and support organizations and working with them, training for CSO, government teams, cadres and farmers, pilots, and raising knowledge, material, human, and financial resources for work strands. Let there be a more robust, comprehensive, but live dynamic coalition framework note in the next 100 days, alike NRLM framework for implementation. This will be a living document with soul, consciousness, for life in the margins and life getting into margins. Let us hurry up now. Let us take Natural Farming Platform and Natural Farming Coalition forward. No excuses now. The way ahead is life centric, nature centric, living, farming, nutrition, leading, learning, loving includes 7L. Happiness is in living, living simple, living in Panchabhuta. Being is life, living is life, flowing is life, touching lives is life. Silence, solitude, reflection, meditation take us there. Generalist KSTR, which is knowledge, skills, tools, resources, take us there. Lok takes us there. Core takes us there. Depth takes us there. Breath takes us there. Bird takes us there. Worm takes us there. Integration takes us there. Leadership, generalist, servant, integrator, leadership takes us there. Let us be nature leaders with natural portfolio. Let us build and mentor natural leaders. Let us invest in nature and nature takes care of us. Let us give a better nature to the future and future cares us. Join us in the world of yoga, Sahayoga for 7L 7R now. Krishna confirms he is waiting in nature for us, for each of us.